Hi guys, this is Nicole. Welcome to Bouquets by Nicole. Today I'm going to be showing you a bouquet by the name of Butterflies. This bouquet, of course, is going to feature butterflies as we have here in the brooches. And we're also going to be using some rhinestones and then one big brooch that's going to go in the center of the bouquet. You'll need your ribbon, your fat ribbon, your skinny ribbon. They're all included in your kit. Your styrofoam half balls included, your wooden holders included, and the ribbon we're going to use is the 2-inch width and the 1-inch width. And we'll also send you some rhinestones to cover your holder if you want to. That's optional, but you know, it adds a little bit bling. The 2-inch ribbon you use to cover the bottom of the bouquet, and then the skinny ribbon, the 1-inch, you use to cover your holder. All right, let's put this away. I already have one assembled here. You just put a hole in your styrofoam half ball, stick your stick in there, put some glue, and that stick, your holder is not going anywhere. It's going to be, once that glue dries, that's in place. Next thing you want to do is cover the bottom of your styrofoam half ball with some of your satin ribbon. You can use the fat ribbon if you want, or you can use the skinny ribbon. You have a lot in your kit, so you'll have enough. So you just cover the bottom, and you're doing that to camouflage the base of the styrofoam, just in case you have any gaps between your roses. The only thing that'll be seen would be your ribbon, which is the same color of the roses, so you won't have any gaps with that. So you just go around the bottom of the bouquets, the styrofoam with your satin roses. I'm trying to talk fast because the video is moving really fast, guys, so I guess you can see this is a voiceover, so just bear with me. So just cover the base of your styrofoam holder with your beautiful deluxe roses. Yes, they're so pretty. All right, I did speed through it because you don't have to see me put all my roses on. So I'm just about done here. That's my last rose. And we're done. So now what we're going to do is put our leaves at the bottom of the styrofoam holder, of the styrofoam half ball. That's going to cover all that ugly underneath there, and the leaves add a really nice touch. So, but you know, a lot of people say they have trouble with the leaves. So, you know, if you don't want to use the leaves, you can use actual real leaves from silk flowers. You can put them under there. You can use lace. You can cover the styrofoam ball with satin if you want. You know, you just want to cover the bottom. So what I do is I use the leaves. I love using the leaves, as you can tell from my other videos if you've seen those. I use them in just about all of my videos. And I think it just adds a really nice touch underneath the bouquet. So I'm just putting my leaves on. And use little glue, guys. Don't use a lot of glue when you do that. All right, we're all done. The leaves are on, the holder's covered. So now the real party is going to start. We're going to start with our brooches. So you're going to put your big brooch on the center. That goes in the middle. This bouquet is so simple and it is so pretty. So cute. A lot of people order this one. It's very popular. And it's so easy to make. I mean, it's really easy. And I love these deluxe satin roses, the large deluxe satin roses. We sell them in the small and the large. This one is about 2 inches. It's not exactly 2 inches. Sometimes they're 2 inches, sometimes they're not. It's just a little bit under 2 inches, like 1.9 inch, but you know, we call them 2 inches. And I mean, they're just so gorgeous. Oh, this bouquet, let me tell you. I just don't have the words, guys. I don't have the words, as you can see. So I'm just putting my rhinestone on. All of my butterflies are in flight. They're going in a circle on the bouquet. They're flying in a circle. So I have the butterflies in place. I'm just putting my rhinestones throughout for that bling bling effect. And there you have it. This is Butterflies. Isn't she lovely? Yeah, so you can purchase the customized bouquet where I can make it for you in your wedding colors. Mix the colors up or go all ivory, go all white. It's up to you. Bridal party packages are available, or you can purchase the kit. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Be blessed.